The Election Commission has been sitting on complaints. Not a single complaint against Prime Minister Modi or the BJP is being acted upon. The Model Code of Conduct has now become the Modi Code of Conduct. There is no action taken when there is violations by the BJP. But Mr. Kharge, when he writes to allies, Congress President gets a love letter from the Election Commission.
Today, a delegation of Trinamool Congress has approached Election Commission to complain against the Bharatiya Janata Party. To talk more on this, I am joined by Saket Gokhale, Rajya Sabha MP, Trinamool Congress. So, sir, you have come to Election Commission to complain against the Bharatiya Janata Party. Why, sir?
No, it's not just complain about the Bharatiya Janata Party. Look, there are 4 phases of the election that have gotten done already. Numerous complaints have been written by the Trinamool Congress, by a lot of other parties. In fact, after Prime Minister Modi made a communal speech in Rajasthan, 20,000 citizens of India wrote a letter to the Chief Election Commission demanding that action be taken. The Election Commission has been sitting on complaints. Not a single complaint against Prime Minister Modi or the BJP is being acted upon. When 20,000 citizens complain about Prime Minister Modi, Election Commission sends a notice to Mr. JP Nadda. The Model Code of Conduct has been turned into a joke. Under the Election Commission's diligent watch, the Model Code of Conduct has now become the Modi Code of Conduct. Rules do not apply to Prime Minister Modi. Rules do not apply to the BJP. No action is taken. BJP candidates go into voting booths and scare voters, ask for their IDs. You've seen people doing booth capturing and doing fake votes and putting that on Instagram. Election Commission says repoll. So, but there is absolutely no action. Prime Minister Modi has not even received a single notice, despite him making some of the worst divisive and communal remarks. We came here today to, one, demand what action has been taken on the complaints that we have given until now by the All India Trinamool Congress. And second, to remind the Election Commission, because they seem to have forgotten, to remind the Election Commission that more than half the election is done. And you have ensured that there is a zero level playing field this time. There is an immense amount of bias shown towards the BJP and Narendra Modi. There is no action taken when there is violations by the BJP. There is no action taken when Modi violates the code of conduct. But Mr. Kharge, when he writes to allies, Congress President gets a love letter from the Election Commission. We've told the Election Commission today that at least pretend, because you have not been free and fair for the last 4 phases. We've requested them for at least for these 3 phases, so that people of India feel a little bit of relief, at least pretend to be free and fair. We came here to remind them of their jobs, and we came here to request them to kindly make sure, don't go out of your way. We're not expecting, we gave up expectations from you a long time ago, but at the very least, enforce the Model Code of Conduct. Equally, make sure it also applies to Modi and the BJP.
So, amidst election season, it is seen that Trinamool Congress is targeting Bharatiya Janata Party on the Sandesh Khali issue as well as on the statements made by BJP. And now they have approached the Election Commission to complain against the BJP as well as PM Modi. And the politics is escalating both in West Bengal and on the national level. With the cameraman Jagan Mohanty, Anmol Bali from New Delhi.